Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and we continue to see the same sell rallies type price action that we've been seeing, all week long. Ever since we had this failure, we talked about this Monday, this failure of this huge band of could have been resistance at the time, it could have been support. It was undecided. It bumped into the mid band at 43.75, which is where it was sitting at the time, along with a bunch of exponential moving averages, monthly pivot, weekly pivot, and sold off pretty quickly. There have been some violent rallies along the way, but right now, it's just when the bulls were in the middle of trying to get another rally done, you get news out of China, you get this North Korean madness, and it's going to take it right back down. The bears have been in control of the tape, and the last thing the bulls wanted to hand them was any kind of geopolitical fuel to get people nervous and unwilling to buy, not unwilling to buy the dips, but unwilling to hold the dips. So we've hit the lower Bollinger Band now 3 days in a row, and the functionality of it is what I mentioned to my subscribers Sunday night, which when we were trying to decide what this band of stuff was going to do, and it could have gone either way. It was going to be a band ride, it was going to be expansion without the band compression, because there's just so much sitting between 2037 and 2047. Now we're down at, we traded as low as 75.5 tonight. That broke the Monday low. They took care of the lows from mid-December earlier this week. Now, what are you left with? You're left with a lot of air underneath this market. You've got this ramp that we did off of the low from September to the 29th. Okay, that ramp at the time made a higher low that everybody grabbed onto at 82.5 here on October the 14th. They took that higher low, or that little flagging action there, up against the 50-day exponential moving average, and they used that to take it up to the 2110s. Okay, we tried to hold that area this week, this 80 to 82. We've just broken it by about 7 handles. What we're seeing right now at the moment is a retest of that area up at 82.5, and they're trying to establish it as resistance. Now, it's 7:10 in the morning on the East Coast. We got a lot of day in front of us. We're already down 1.6%. So what I'm about to tell you applies not only today, but tomorrow and Friday, as well as the rest of the week plays out. If in the whip and dip and bob and weave of this week, you see that 82 area, say 80 to 83 area, become resistance, understand that the byproduct of that is going to be pretty much air. There's nothing to stop it. It's not going to go straight down. We're not doing Wile E. Coyote off a cliff, but just to understand that in the big scheme of things, the next foothold really in the market is down at 1861. And I don't like saying things like that because I hate targets and I hate, over the horizon trading. I don't like it. But I'm just telling you what I'm looking at on this chart. The 82 area, 1982 area, cannot be permitted to become resistance. That's going to accelerate the selling through January. Okay? You've got to, you got to trade it responsibly. There's going to be very violent rallies along the way. But understand that the general mood of the tape will continue to be lower. There have been some very, very serious support areas broken this week. Okay? So trade what you see. Don't trade off in the distance. Trade the 5 handles, 10 handles in front of you, and the rest will take care of itself. Um, we're flat right now. I was out of the office. I missed the initial fireworks with the yuan and everything. We had a good day yesterday. So overnight wise, I mean we got involved a little bit last night around 94 with some of the chop, but I didn't want to hold it while I went to bed, so I missed this move down. There's other people we've had that caught it, but I didn't want to hold it. So I'm flat. I went to bed flat. I woke up flat, and I'll be very interested to see this 82 reaction as we head into the rest of the day. All right, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Watch your position sizing. Use risk markers. Use stops. Be safe. This tape can get very angry very fast. It could also rip your face off in a heartbeat. All right, take care. Trade them well.